Will you be charged if you cancel Audible? In this video, I'm going to talk about what happens if you cancel your Audible trial or subscription. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, and I want to make self-growth normal, because people shouldn't have to look this information up. It should just be mainstream knowledge. If you agree, then please make sure to smash that like button. So let's say you have a trial. You're on an Audible trial and you get that free audiobook. Got that free audiobook, super nice deal. I mean, it's free after all. Or two, if you're an Amazon Prime member, you actually get 2 free audiobooks. But let's say you cancel the membership before the end of the trial. Do you get charged? No, you do not get charged. That's just one scenario. The other one is, let's say you have an Audible membership and you cancel before the end of the billing period. For most people, this is a month, unless you're a crazy person like me and you have a yearly membership. No judgment to anyone else who has a yearly membership. Love you guys. Do you get charged? No, you do not get charged. Regardless, you do not get charged if you cancel the membership, as long as you cancel before the billing cycle is over, aka when you're supposed to be charged if you'd like to continue the membership. You do not get charged. For a more general idea though on what Audible is, how it works, credits, memberships, and a walkthrough of the app, I did an excellent video earlier this year going over all of this, and I will drop a link to that in the description below. If you just got Audible and you're like, what the heck is this? I don't know what I'm doing with my life. I definitely recommend checking it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something from it. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, because I don't get why people watch this far into my videos and they don't subscribe. But if you have subscribed and you want to turn it up just a notch and turn on that notification bell to get a notification whenever I drop new videos, that would mean the world to me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You can find me everywhere, and I'll see you then.